this video, we're going to be talking about a new mapping mechanism for recommendations in PickyCart. And mapping is a great way to offer relevant products to your shoppers, to upsell best-selling items, and make sure that they're always encouraged to add more to their cart. Now, if you'd like to set this up, let's head to PickyStory app. And in the app, we can choose a PickyCart tab, and you're going to notice a new recommended products section. In recommended products, you can see that our default rule is that if all products, or in other words, any product is added to the cart, then we're going to show automated recommendations. Now let's say I want to override that rule and I want to say that if all products are added to the cart, or any product is added to the cart, I want to specifically show a keyboard, then a headset, and a monitor, because I want those to be my default recommendations. Amazing. After that, I can click on Publish and see my changes live. For that, I will go to my store, choose any product, add it to the cart, and see the recommendations. Perfect. So we can see the recommendations of keyboard, headset, and a monitor match the recommendations I have set in PickyStory app. Perfect. Now let's say I want to set a different rule. Let's say that I don't want to choose all products, but specific products added to the cart. In that case, let's say if someone adds a controller, white controller to their cart, I specifically want to show a black controller, and everything else can be filled with automations. Let's go back, publish, and observe the changes live. For that, let's go to our store, choose a white controller, and add it to the cart. Let's see, and there we go. We have a black controller, and other recommendations are filled automatically, which is consistent with what we chose in here. And this is a great way for you to keep adding rules and make sure that the recommendations you have in your cart are always relevant to what shopper added to their cart. And if you want to make any design related changes, you can always do it from the design tab to customize the text. Hope this was helpful, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.